Let's solve one previous question of graph theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2011, question number 17. Which one of the following statement is true in relation to this graph? And we have two graphs and four options are given. So in all options, it's asking about whether these two graphs K4 and Q3 are planar or not. A graph will be planar if we can draw in a plane without crossing of edges. So can we draw K4 without crossing of edges? Let me try. So we have four vertices. These are the vertices. And there is a edge and another edge we can do like this, right? So we can draw K4 without crossing of edges. That's why K4 is a planar graph. Now can we do Q3 without crossing of edges? We can do like this. Yes, Q3 also we can draw without crossing of edges. If we can draw a graph without crossing of edges in a plane, then that is a planar graph. So we found both K4 and Q3 are planar graph, as we can draw both the graph without crossing of edges in a plane, and it's present in option B. That's why answer will be option B. Both K4 and Q3 are planar. I already discussed planar graph. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.